Hello everyone, welcome back to eCraft Geeks. Today, I would like to explain the topic pick and place palletizing of robots. Before we begin, here are the following contents we will be doing in today's lesson. The contents include introduction, what is pick and place, the main components, the advantages and disadvantages, and the applications. So let's begin. Introduction. Before we learn what exactly are pick and place robots, let us know what exactly are robots. A robot, as many know, can be defined as a programmable self controlled device consisting of electronic, electrical, or mechanical units. It is basically an automatic mechanical device that is guided by a computer program or an electronic circuit. In today's highly developing society, automation plays an important role to save human efforts in most of the regular and frequency carried works. For example, most of the industrial jobs like welding, painting, etc., the most commonly performed work is picking and placing of robots from a source to a destination. For this purpose, we use pick and place robots. Now let us come to what is pick and place robot. A pick and place robot is a mechatronic system that picks up a particular object from the source location and places it at a desired location. For detection of object, infrared sensors are used which detect the presence of the object as the transmitter to the receiver path for infrared sensors is interrupted by the placed object. As soon as a robot senses the presence of the object, it moves towards the object, picks it up with its end effector, and moves a long way, gantry, and finally places it on the particular destination. If another object causes interrupt, it again repeats the same job. This whole process is controlled by a microcontroller. Hence, after knowing what exactly is a pick and place robot and how exactly they are used in the society, let us learn about its main components. The main components in a pick and place robot are the arms, or also known as manipulator, the drive mechanism, the end effector, the controller, and base. Now let us know the advantages and disadvantages of pick and place robots in industries. Advantages of a pick and place robot is based on four important points, that is speed, flexibility, reliability of production, and affordability. In terms of speed, pick and place robot speeds up the process of picking parts up and places them in new location. It allows for faster cycle times and it also increases its production rate. In terms of flexibility, the consistency, quality, and repeatability of a pick and place robot system is unmatched. These systems are also versatile and can be programmed and tooled to provide multiple applications for consumers. In terms of reliability of production, these robots are more accurate and they do not get tired while doing back-breaking movements that may be difficult for humans. And in terms of affordability, these types of robots are available at low cost in factories and are quite affordable. However, just like any other device, pick and place robots also has its own disadvantages, and they are high initial investment, expertise can be scarce, and ongoing costs. In terms of high initial investment, robots typically require a large upfront investment. In terms of expertise can be scarce, industrial robots need sophisticated operation, maintenance, and programming. While the number of people with these skills are growing, it's currently limited. And in terms of ongoing costs, while industrial robots may reduce some manufacturing labor costs, they do come with their own ongoing expenses such as maintenance. Let us now come to the final topic, that is the applications of pick and place robots. Pick and place robots are widely used in industries. They are mainly used for welding, handling, spraying and palletizing, material handling, and trimming or sealing. And that was the end of the topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to eCraft Geeks. Thank you so much and see you next time.